I'm standing in a corner.
Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. So today is Sunday. It is about 9 a.m. and I am out getting groceries. I'm at Hy-Vee right now. I do want to go here because they're having a huge sale on boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I believe it's like $1.69 a pound or something like that. So when I see that price, I definitely stock up, and then I have a vacuum sealer at home that I cut the chicken into like thinner cutlets and usually vacuum seal like 4 or 5 per bag. That way I have them ready just for a meal for us during the week. So I want to get that, and then I'm also going to get a Starbucks here. I'm not sure if I'm going to go to Walmart or Aldi. I need to look at my list and see if I can get everything I need to at Aldi. I think I might be able to, but either way, I will show you what I got when I get home. Okay, so I did go to Hy-Vee and Walmart, but I got the bulk of my groceries at Aldi. I spent around $136 there, I think, but there were some things that I just had to go to Walmart to get, like some different vinegars and stuff that they don't have at Aldi. So I did get quite a bit of produce, although this is not all of the produce I got this week because I did go to the farmer's market yesterday. So I'm actually going to be sharing that in a separate meal prep video. So if you want to see that, you can check that out. I did get one pineapple. I got this at Aldi. I've been getting these every so often and then just cutting them up and having them in the fridge for us to eat for like a side for dinner or snacks or breakfast. I got a bag of red onions. I grabbed some of these little potatoes from Aldi. These are nice because they're already washed up, so you can just throw them in the oven with some olive oil or in the air fryer and roast them up as a side for dinner. Hy-Vee had strawberries. These were super cheap. 2 pounds of strawberries for like $1.88, I think, so I went ahead and got 2 packages. Probably one of these I'll cut up and freeze for smoothies. I've been kind of experimenting with some different smoothie recipes for breakfast. And I do like to have like frozen fruit in there, so I grabbed some bananas too, and my plan is to cut some of these up with the strawberries and make like little like freezer packs of frozen fruit to use in my smoothies. From Walmart, I did get some Poblano peppers. So I have a recipe that I'm going to try this week for chicken stuffed Poblano peppers, so I'm looking forward to trying that. So I grabbed 4 of those. From Aldi, I got some zucchini. I'm gonna make like a summer vegetable bake as a side this week, and it called for zucchini, so I just grabbed 3 of those. I grabbed some tomatoes, some celery. I got some of these Portobello mushroom caps. Adam's really the only one that likes mushrooms, but I thought I could throw these on the grill tonight with dinner for him. And then I also got a bag of the Tricolor Peppers. So this comes with orange, yellow, and red. There's a couple recipes that I want to use these in, and I'm also going to make some mango salsa. So that will be for that as well. I got a bag of lemons. I always like to keep lemons in the refrigerator for recipes or drinks, or, you know, squeezing in water or anything like that. I do have cilantro out on my deck, but I don't have a lot right now. So I did go ahead and buy a package of cilantro for recipes in the mango salsa. Hy-Vee finally started selling arugula here in the food desert of Iowa, so I was happy to see that. So I grabbed that to use for salads, and there's also like an arugula pizza recipe that I want to try. It's a Pioneer Woman recipe, so that will be for that. I got 3 mangoes. I went ahead and got these at Aldi. Since I'm going to use these right away to make salsa, I tried to find the ripest ones that I could. I got some grapes, some blackberries, and some yellow squash. I had to get these at Walmart because they didn't have any at Aldi. Sometimes they do and sometimes they don't. So that's for that vegetable gratin, summer vegetable gratin dish that I'm going to make. Okay, so like for meats and cheeses and stuff, I do like this kind of lunch meat from Aldi, so I went ahead and got 2 packages of turkey and 1 package of ham. I also got a tub of the grated Parmesan cheese. That's for a recipe. And then I got some asparagus at the farmer's market this weekend, and I thought it would be good to do like a prosciutto wrapped asparagus as a side for dinner tonight, so I got some of that. Aldi is probably the best place, at least in my area, to buy prosciutto. It's really expensive at Hy-Vee or even Walmart. Like at Hy-Vee, one of these would probably cost you like $6.99 or $7.99. I think this is $4 at Aldi. I got some provolone cheese because I am going to make some like Italian drip beef sandwiches one night this week. I actually have that in the freezer from a previous meal that I did, so I'll thaw that out and we'll have that like on rolls with provolone cheese. I got some Colby Jack cheese sticks for the kids, and then 2 balls of mozzarella, either to use on that herb pizza recipe, or I can do like a caprese with basil and tomatoes. I have basil out on my deck as well. They had these at Aldi, these cucumber and dill soft spreadable cheese. So this is really good if you want to spread it on like actually a cucumber slice and like use a cucumber as a cracker and spread this on there. To me, it's like a really good snack, and it's low carb and pretty healthy. So I got that. They had these at Aldi. I used to buy these a lot more, but honestly, they're not that healthy, especially for the kids, because they do have kind of a lot of sugar in them. I mean, I know they're yogurt, but they still have like chocolate and candy in them. But as a treat, I got 2 of these. This is the Chobani Gimmies, the Choco Chunk Cookie Dunk. So I grabbed those. I got a package of mini pepperonis from Walmart, and then also from Walmart, I got some of this queso Chihuahua shredded quesadilla cheese. Connor really likes to eat cheese quesadillas, and this cheese is actually really good to have in quesadillas. I just use like a tortilla, and you don't even have to use any butter or anything. Just crisp it up in a skillet with a little bit of this cheese. Okay, so at Hy-Vee, I did see that they had some new Chobani flip flavors. So I got this for myself. It's a strawberry cheesecake. And then I did get these for the kids before I realized I was getting these, but whatever. So this is the Chobani s'mores flips, which they like those, so that'll be a treat for them. I grabbed some cottage cheese for a recipe. This is my favorite brand of cottage cheese. I can usually only find it at Hy-Vee. Sometimes I can find it at Walmart, but it's AE brand, which I think is a brand like local here in Iowa. But it's the best cottage cheese in my opinion. I got some garden vegetable cream cheese. I usually keep this on hand for like when I'm making wraps for the kids for their lunches. They are on summer break right now, but they still go to like a summer camp, and so they do get food there, but depending on what it is, sometimes they want to eat a packed lunch. And so during the summer, it's kind of the same thing. I mean, I'm still packing lunches for them off and on. It's not like they're home all day, you know, and can just eat whatever here. I got some butter from Aldi because I was running low on that. Hy-Vee had their half gallons of milk on sale for 99 cents. So I grabbed one of those, and I also got a orange mango juice from Aldi. I do keep margarine on hand just for like toast and grilled cheese and stuff like that. I used to be one of those people that kept butter out on the counter, like in a dish, so it was soft, but I just feel like we don't go through it fast enough, so I don't know. I buy this. I know margarine's not the greatest for you, but whatever. It's just for toast and stuff like that. Okay, beans. So I got 4 cans of garbanzo beans. I was totally out of these in the pantry. I like to make homemade hummus. I also am going to make a curry recipe this week that is like a veggie curry, and it calls for chickpeas. So I grabbed 4 cans of those just to stock up. And then I also got 2 cans of just the regular green beans. I keep those on hand just for a side for dinner. I got some fast rising yeast for pizza crust, some feta cheese. Aldi is another good, or in my opinion, probably the best place around here to buy feta cheese. I like to buy it in a block and crumble it myself. It just tastes a lot better that way. And then I grabbed some pepper jack cheese. These are newer at Aldi, I think. They're kind of like those Philadelphia cream cheese snack packs, but this one is jalapeno cream cheese with pretzels, and this one is strawberry cream cheese with graham crackers. Kira likes strawberry cream cheese, so I figured she could probably take this in her lunch one day, and then we could just, Adam or I could try this one as a snack. All right, so the main reason I went to Hy-Vee was to get the chicken breast that they had on sale. So I went ahead and got 3 packages. This is just boneless, skinless chicken breast. It was actually cheaper than I thought. I thought it was $1.69, but it's actually $1.48 a pound. So it looks like I got about, what, 10 pounds here. So what I will do is I will take these out of this original packaging, trim them. If there's some of the chicken breasts that are like thicker or larger, I'll butterfly those. And then I just like to put these in like Ziploc, or not Ziploc, but like the freezer bags, the vacuum sealed bags. I couldn't think of the word. And then I just portion them out so that we have chicken breast in the freezer, which is really nice. I got some semi-sweet chocolate chips from Aldi. I am going to make some pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. I've made this recipe before, and I can leave a link to the recipe down below, but my kids really like to eat those for breakfast, so I grabbed some of these to have in the pantry. Okay, so I don't know anything about protein powder. All I know is that if I make a smoothie, I do like to have like a little bit of vanilla protein powder in there. I typically use like almond or cashew milk. I don't know. If you guys know of a good vanilla protein powder, like maybe that I could get on Amazon, that doesn't have like a weird taste, I would love to hear your thoughts on that. I just got this at Hy-Vee. I'm sure I can probably get 2 servings out of this, but it's keto protein vanilla. I have no idea. I don't know. I just like the vanilla flavor and a little bit of extra protein in the smoothie, so I'm gonna try that. I got some pistachios. Adam likes to snack on these. I got those at Aldi. I got some peanut butter crackers for the kids. These are super cheap. They're like 69 cents or 89 cents or something like that, and they're just a good snack to have in the pantry for the kids, or even Adam and I if we want peanut butter crackers. They had flour tortillas on sale for $1 a package at Hy-Vee. I might have to put these in the freezer because I think I still have some left in the refrigerator and I don't want them to go bad, but that was a good price for those. They also had their Totino's Party Pizzas on sale for 88 cents, so I figured what the heck, I'll grab a couple of those. I just grabbed 3 of them. This isn't really something that I buy on the regular. I mean, I remember buying these a lot in college, and they're like super cheap and not that great pizza, but you know, it's kind of nostalgic to have one once in a while. I got some red wine vinegar, some apple cider vinegar, and some balsamic vinegar. Adam made his homemade barbecue sauce earlier this weekend and used up a bunch of vinegar in that. I do actually have a video on how he makes that, so I can link that down below if you're interested in watching it. It's really good barbecue sauce, and honestly we have not bought barbecue sauce in such a long time because he makes it homemade and then we just store it in jars in the fridge and it lasts a really long time. So I got that. I got some olive oil. I got this at Aldi. I was totally out of olive oil. I really like to get my olive oil at Costco, but I haven't been to Costco and I don't know when is the next time I'll get there. So I grabbed that. And then this is the white barbecue sauce. So let me know if you guys have tried this before. I've tried white barbecue sauce, I think at maybe a restaurant somewhere when I was traveling for work in Georgia, and then I had a coworker make some once and I tried it. It's kind of like a really unique flavor, and Adam tried to make some last weekend and it was good, but we didn't really have anything to like base it off of if it was the right taste. So I saw this at Hy-Vee. It was a little bit pricey. I think it was like $5.85 or something like that, but this is the Lily's brand Northern Alabama white barbecue sauce, so we'll try that. I did get some almond butter. This is the vanilla flavored almond butter from Walmart. I like to put like a scoopful of this in my smoothie. It kind of makes it taste like, if you do like the almond butter with the frozen banana and the frozen strawberry, it kind of makes it taste a little bit like peanut butter and jelly smoothie, and I really like that, so I grabbed that. We were out of like the coarse ground Dijon mustard, so this is just the Great Value brand. I got that at Walmart. There's a recipe that I'm gonna make this week for like a vegetable couscous salad, and I didn't want like the seasoned pearled couscous, but this is all my Walmart had as far as like the larger pearled couscous, so I went ahead and got 2 packages of those. Just for the pantry, I got 2 cans of tomato sauce and 2 cans of diced tomatoes. I do have a recipe that calls for diced tomatoes this week. And then I usually get these unsweetened tea bottles, I guess, at Aldi for Adam to take to work. It's just the regular unsweetened tea. And then this is something I hadn't seen before, but I thought the kids could try it for their lunches. It's strawberry lemonade and coconut water juice packs. I got those at Aldi. I grabbed 2 ketchup refills because we like to keep ketchup as a backup in the pantry. We can never run out of ketchup. It has to be Heinz ketchup because that's the best, non-negotiable. A package of Bugles. This was sort of an impulse buy. They had these at Hy-Vee for $1. So how can you pass up a bag of Bugles for $1? One night this week we're gonna have taco salad, so I got some Doritos, and then I also got the baked barbecue chips from Aldi. I got those last week and they were really good, and I feel like they're a little bit healthier than a regular chip. I got Adam his Bang energy drinks, so 5 of those. They had these marked down at Aldi for $2 off. They're just like French rolls, so I'm gonna use that for the roast beef sandwiches that we're having this week. And then I also saw these white cheddar puffs at Aldi. These are like the individual bags, so these are a great snack for the kids to have, so I grabbed those. And then I did get a bottle of wine at Aldi. Every so often I'll look through their wine and just see if they have anything interesting. This is a rosé, and it was, I believe, $11.99, so should be decent. We'll see. I don't really care for sweet wine. Sometimes rosé can be sweet and sometimes it can be dry. I prefer it if it's dry, so hopefully this isn't a too sweet one. And then I grabbed a case of these sparkling frost. Adam really likes these. They're like sort of like flavored water, but they have carbonation. So I grabbed just like a flat of these. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what, 15 of those? I don't even know how, I can't remember how much these were. I want to say they're like 30 cents a piece. I can't remember. For myself, I got some white peach sparkling Dasani water. They actually have this at my Aldi. I got some Diet Coke. They have this at my Aldi too. I got Murphy some Rawhide Treats. I've already opened them and gave him one. And then I wanted to try out this shampoo. I saw this at Walmart. It's Aveeno shampoo, rose water, and chamomile blend. It smells really good, so I'll give that a try. And then I just needed some makeup refills. I'm a total drugstore makeup person. I do not buy fancy makeup. I do buy Clinique foundation and moisturizer every once in a while, but honestly, it's just more convenient for me to get it from Walmart or Walgreens because we don't have a place here in town that sells Clinique anymore. So I did get this Revlon Eye Contour Kit, so eyeshadow. I cannot find my pencil sharpener for like my eyeliners and stuff, so I grabbed another one of those. And then this is actually my favorite mascara, and it's $4.99. It's Almay Thickening Mascara. If you haven't tried this, I would suggest give it a try. I think it's awesome for $5 mascara from, you know, the drugstore. Totally awesome. It's my favorite kind. Okay, so that is everything I got. As far as the meal plan, I will show you that. So tonight I was thinking about making sous vide sirloin steaks. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough time to do that now, so we'll see. But I do have a salad recipe that I want to make. It's a mixed green with asparagus, a salad recipe, and then I was gonna roast some potatoes with some rosemary. Tomorrow I have down to do tacos or taco salad, so I do have some taco meat in the freezer that I froze previously, so I can thaw that out, and then we can just have refried beans or fruit and chips and salsa with that. On Tuesday, I'm going to do those stuffed poblano peppers with ground chicken. They're stuffed with ground chicken and I think mozzarella cheese and tomatoes and onions and cilantro, so those sound really good. And then I'm also going to make some mango salsa, and then probably the kids will just have quesadillas. I'm not sure if they'll eat the stuffed peppers. On Wednesday, I'm going to do mini meatloaves with green beans and penne pasta. Thursday, I'm going to thaw out that Italian beef for the drip beef sandwiches, and then I have to make that veggie gratin with fruit and cottage cheese. Friday, we usually either go out or have pizza, and then Saturday, I usually don't plan for it. And then this is just a look at what I'm planning on meal prepping today, like I said, which will be in a separate video. Alright, so thanks so much for watching this grocery haul and meal plan. I hope that you got some inspiration for your own dinners this week. Let me know in the comments below what you are cooking for dinner this week. I always love reading those and getting ideas from everyone, and it seems like everyone always just has such good ideas, and there are things that I haven't thought about making before. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody singing oh, everybody singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in